In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the black and white grayscale named plot style in Autocad. Whether you're encountering issues with plot styles or you're just hoping to get familiar with AutoCAD's intricacies, we'll break it down step by step so that by the end, you'll be all set to tackle this task with confidence. Let's kick things off by opening the drawing you're working on in AutoCAD. It's always best to start with a plan or drawing that you're actually working on, as it will make it easier for you to follow along. Once your drawing is opened, you'll want to initiate the plotting process. You can do this by simply typing plot in the command line and pressing enter. Alternatively, if you prefer using icons, just click on the plot or print icon. This will bring up the plot dialog box, which is essentially your control center for everything related to plotting. In the plot dialog, turn your attention to the section labeled Plot Style Table, also known as Pen Assignments. Here, it's crucial to check which plot style is currently selected. This is where you will see what AutoCAD is using to dictate how your lines and colors are displayed and printed. Now, if you find the plot style set to monochrome.ctb, which is typically used for black and white plotting, you might want to switch that up, especially if you're hoping to work with colored lines or a different style. You can change to another CTB or STB file that you prefer. If you'd rather stick with the current one but want to make adjustments, that's possible too. To make changes, click on the Edit button next to the plot style name. This will allow you to dive deeper into the specifics of how this style behaves. A key focus here will be on color-to-pen mappings. This is an opportunity for you to assign colors to grayscale, specific line weights, or even choose specific colors that might better suit your needs. It's a fantastic area to customize the output to match your project's requirements. If the changes you're making are something you want to keep, but you don't want to alter the original file, use the Save As option. This way, you can create a new plot style without overwriting the default one. Once you've decided on a setup, apply the plot style to your layout or paper space. This is critical because it dictates how your final output will appear. To ensure everything looks as expected, click on the Preview button. This will give you a snapshot of how things are going to look before making it official. If everything checks out in the preview, finalize your work by clicking OK or Plot to print. And there you have it. With these steps, you can fix and customize grayscale plot styles in AutoCAD to better fit your project's needs.